Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Greetings, everyone. How are you all doing? So, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to schedule your post on Facebook. Let's say you don't want to post now, you want to post maybe later, but you won't be chanced then and you want to post now. Let me show you how to do it. Let's dive into the video. Click on Facebook and click on what is on your mind. Once it opens, click on where to add your content. I already have a content that I copied. I will just paste it. So once you paste it, just edit. Okay, you space out your content. If you want to make use of bold text, you also do that. I've already done a video on how to space your content, how to space your post on Facebook without Facebook jam packing it, because sometimes when you space it the normal way, Facebook will jam pack it when it's posted. So this is the right way of how to space out your content. Check my previous video. And also, if you're finding it difficult to bold test on your post, you want to bold your test but you can't do it, also check my previous post for it also. So once you space your content and you're satisfied on how your content looks like now I'm satisfied, click on next. So click on schedule option and click on schedule for later. Then you click on the date you want, the time you want, then click on post, and that is it.